Hi guys, welcome to day 3. I really hope that you had a great Christmas and Boxing Day. It's now the 28th of December and we're on to our 3rd in the series of 7, our Christmas special. And this one is all about millionaire habits. So what habits can you do in order that you can be successful? Okay, so the first habit is pursue your own goals. So too many people want to pursue things based on other people's goals. It's important for you to define your goals and pursue your goals. The other thing that I would say is that you need to have a habit of continuous improvement. So, in all areas of your business, even if you're just getting started, if you make micro improvements in every part of your business, the cumulative effect of that will be massive. I'll give you a quick example. Okay, so I'll give you an example. So, up until 2003, the British cycling team did not win any races, ever. But that all changed in 2003. A guy named Dave Brailsford came along and he analysed the whole of the team and he did something really unique. What he did is, rather than try to have massive improvements, which people don't stick to, it's a bit like if you're on a diet. If all of a sudden you've got to cut everything out, it's more difficult to stick to. But if you cut out sweets maybe one week and maybe chocolates the week after, it's easier. But anyway, we digress. So back to the cycling. So previous coaches, previous head of the cycling team had tried and failed at everything. What Dave did is he did micro changes. So for example, he would change the seat. So he got a new seat for the cyclists to help with their improvement. He changed the pedals, slight improvement. Now each of these things are giving, it might be a 0.5% improvement on the pedal. It might be a 0.9% improvement on the seat. He changed the frame. So he got a 2% gain on the frame. He changed their diet. 3% gain. He changed their sleeping. He told them he wants them to sleep more hours. 1% gain. All these improvements had a massive effect and something amazing happened. In the 2008 Olympic Games, they won 60% of all the gold medals. 4 years later, at the London 2012 Olympics, they set 9 Olympic records and 7 world records. And that same year, Bradley Wiggins was the first British cyclist to ever win the Tour de France. All from continuous improvement and small changes. So guys, the message is, you don't need to make big changes. Make small changes. The humans don't like big changes. We don't like change at the best of times, let alone if they're massive. But if you just make small changes, improve every part of your business, improve your diet, improve your sleep, improve your memory, improve your mind, improve your reading, improve your training, improve your education, improve your negotiating skills, improve where your money's invested and kept. Improve every aspect of your life, but you only need to do it a little bit and the changes will be massive. So all the habits, they mix with successful people. I've spelled people wrong, but you get the idea. Okay, so mix with successful people. Okay, if you hang around with negative people, you'll become negative. They'll drag you down. Okay, when we get to 1,000 subs, I think YouTube allows us to start a community. So we're going to start a community. We're going to have people interacting, and you can mix with all of us here, like-minded people, successful people. Okay, so mix. Choose who you mix with, choose who you listen to, and choose what you feed your mind, okay? It needs to be a habit, okay? You also need to get into the work habit, okay? So you need to have a good work ethic, okay? When you're at work, make sure you are at work. Turn off your phones. Don't have any distractions, okay? It's too easy to get distracted, particularly in day and age. You've got WhatsApp going off, you've got Instagram, you've got TikTok, you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter feeds, you've got emails, SMSs. We're being bombarded every day by messages and we can't help but read it. You need to develop a habit of switching off. Maybe check your emails once a day, check your social media once a day. The rest of it, leave the phone out of the equation. Okay, while you're at work, make sure you work. Make sure you are productive. Guys, this is going to be so important. It's not all about property. Yes, that's the vehicle, but unless you've got the right attitude and the right mindset and the right habits, you won't succeed. Okay, so have that, train the mind in all these things I'm teaching you. It worked for me, it worked wonders for me, and it'll work for you guys. They constantly educate themselves. By getting educated, like you're on this channel, so I'm trying to give you as much information as I can in the 10 or 15 minutes that we have on each video. But what I've done on this channel is I've shared with you 20 years worth of knowledge, 20 years worth of wisdom, 20 years worth of mistakes, and 20 years worth of not making a mistake. Okay, you're going to get it all. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, watch my channel. Educate yourself, guys, and you'll make leaps and bounds. Next habit is never give up. Guys, this is so important. You can't give up. If it's a proven system that you're following and you know you're going to be successful, then why would you want to give up? If you're trying something that's untested or uncharted territory, no one's been there before, then you might want to give up. But I can categorically tell you that property has been the vehicle to my success. It's enabled me to live the life I want to live, have the freedom, be able to go to every single school performance at school while other parents couldn't make it because they were at work, go to every single sports day, watch my children growing up, take time off when I want to take time off. I can say that, hand on heart, it is a great vehicle for financial freedom. Never give up, guys. If you know that this is going to work, don't give up. Keep going. I've been bankrupt. I lost everything. And I started all over again. I didn't give up. I started again and kept going. Bankruptcy, by the way, was 12 years ago, right, in 2008. So, guys, keep going. Never give up. So day 4 tomorrow, 5 p.m. Set your notification and get that bell ringing so you get notified. Tomorrow is going to be all about bridging loans. We've covered this slightly before, but I've had lots of requests to go into more detail. So tomorrow is going to be all about bridging loans. Guys, thanks for being here. I'll see you tomorrow.